Discovering dead rodents inside a 2-inch polyvinyl chloride pipe is certainly an unpleasant surprise. When rodents die inside enclosed spaces like pipes, their decomposing bodies can create several problems. Firstly, the physical presence of the dead rodents obstructs the pipe. This blockage can prevent the passage of fluids or, in the case of conduit, pulling wires becomes extremely difficult or impossible. Secondly, as the rodents decompose, they release foul odors. These odors can permeate the surrounding area, creating an unsanitary and unpleasant environment. The smell can also attract other pests, exacerbating the problem. Thirdly, the decaying flesh attracts insects such as flies, maggots, and beetles. These insects feed on the remains and further contribute to the decomposition process. The presence of these insects can create a health hazard and further degrade the surrounding environment. Fourthly, the decomposing bodies can potentially contaminate any fluids or materials that come into contact with them. This contamination can be a concern if the pipe is used to transport water or other liquids. Fifthly, the presence of dead rodents can indicate a larger pest problem. If rodents are able to access the pipe and die inside, it suggests that there may be other entry points and a larger population of rodents in the area. When working with pipes or other enclosed spaces, it is important to take precautions to avoid such situations. Firstly, inspect the area before beginning work. Look for any signs of rodent activity, such as droppings, nests, or gnaw marks. Secondly, seal any potential entry points to prevent rodents from entering the pipes. This can be done by using caulk sealant or wire mesh. Thirdly, wear appropriate protective gear, such as gloves and a mask, to protect yourself from potential contaminants and odors. Fourthly, if you encounter a dead rodent, remove it carefully and dispose of it properly. Use a disinfectant to clean the area and eliminate any remaining odors or contaminants. Fifthly, consider using rodent control measures to prevent future infestations. This may involve setting traps, using bait, or hiring a pest control professional. By taking these precautions, you can minimize the risk of encountering dead rodents in pipes and other enclosed spaces and maintain a safe and sanitary working environment. The decomposition process of dead animals, including rodents, is a complex biological process that involves several stages. These stages are broadly categorized as fresh, bloat, active decay, advanced decay, and dry remains. During the fresh stage, which occurs immediately after death, the body begins to cool down, a process known as alga mortis. Blood circulation ceases, leading to livor mortis, where blood settles in the lower parts of the body, causing discoloration. Rigor mortis, the stiffening of muscles, also occurs during this stage. Although the body appears relatively unchanged externally, internal processes are already underway as cells begin to break down due to the lack of oxygen and nutrients. The bloat stage is characterized by the accumulation of gases within the body cavity. These gases are produced by anaerobic bacteria that proliferate after death. As the gases build up, the abdomen becomes distended, and the body may swell. The pressure from the gases can also force fluids and decomposition byproducts out of the body's orifices. The odor associated with decomposition becomes more pronounced during this stage. The active decay stage is marked by the breakdown of soft tissues. Maggots, the larvae of flies, typically appear and feed on the decaying flesh. This process can cause significant tissue loss. The odor of decomposition is strongest during this stage. The advanced decay stage occurs when most of the soft tissues have decomposed. The body begins to dry out, and the remaining tissues, such as skin and cartilage, become leathery. Insect activity decreases as there is less soft tissue available for them to consume. The dry remains stage is the final stage of decomposition. Only bones, teeth, and hair remain. These tissues can persist for extended periods, depending on environmental conditions. The rate of decomposition is influenced by several factors, including temperature, humidity, access to insects, and the presence of scavengers. Higher temperatures accelerate decomposition, while lower temperatures slow it down. High humidity promotes decomposition, while dry conditions inhibit it. Access to insects and scavengers can significantly speed up the process of tissue breakdown. Understanding the decomposition process is essential in various fields, including forensic science, archaeology, and environmental science. In forensic science, it helps in estimating the time of death and understanding the circumstances surrounding a death. In archaeology, it provides insights into the burial practices and environmental conditions of past civilizations. In environmental science, it contributes to understanding nutrient cycling and the fate of organic matter in ecosystems. When encountering a dead rodent, it is crucial to take appropriate safety measures to protect oneself from potential health risks. Rodents can carry various diseases, including hantavirus, leptospirosis, salmonellosis, and tularemia. These diseases can be transmitted to humans through direct contact with the rodent, its urine, feces, or saliva, or through the bite of fleas or ticks that have fed on the rodent. When handling a dead rodent, always wear gloves to prevent direct contact with the animal. Avoid touching the rodent with bare hands. If possible, use tongs or a shovel to pick up the rodent. Place the rodent in a sealed plastic bag. This will help to contain any potential pathogens. Dispose of the sealed bag in a trash can with a tight-fitting lid. This will prevent other animals from accessing the rodent and spreading disease. After disposing of the rodent, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This will remove any potential contaminants from your skin. Disinfect any surfaces that may have come into contact with the rodent. Use a disinfectant solution to wipe down the area. This will kill any remaining pathogens. If you suspect that you have been exposed to a disease carried by the rodent, seek medical attention immediately. Early diagnosis and treatment can help to prevent serious complications. To prevent rodent infestations, take steps to eliminate food sources and nesting sites. Store food in airtight containers. Clean up any spills or crumbs immediately. Seal any cracks or holes in your home's foundation or walls. Trim vegetation away from your home's exterior. This will eliminate potential hiding places for rodents. By following these safety measures, you can minimize the risk of exposure to diseases carried by rodents and prevent future infestations. Regarding polyvinyl chloride or PVC pipes, these are widely used in various applications due to their durability, cost-effectiveness, and ease of installation. PVC is a type of plastic polymer that is known for its resistance to chemicals, water, and corrosion. These properties make it an ideal material for plumbing, drainage, and irrigation systems. There are several types of PVC pipes available, each designed for specific applications. Firstly, Schedule 40 PVC pipes are commonly used for residential and commercial plumbing systems. They are suitable for handling water and other fluids at moderate pressures. Secondly, Schedule 80 PVC pipes are thicker and stronger than Schedule 40 pipes. They are used in applications where high pressure and temperature resistance are required, such as industrial piping systems. Thirdly, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride, or CPVC pipes, are similar to PVC pipes but have been chlorinated to increase their heat resistance. They are commonly used in hot water distribution systems. Fourthly, drain, waste, and vent, or DWV PVC pipes are designed for drainage and venting applications. They are typically used to carry wastewater from sinks, toilets, and showers to the sewer system. The size of a PVC pipe is determined by its nominal diameter, which is an approximation of the inside diameter of the pipe. The actual inside diameter may vary slightly depending on the manufacturer and the schedule of the pipe. PVC pipes are available in a wide range of sizes, from small diameter pipes used for residential plumbing to large diameter pipes used for municipal water systems. When installing PVC pipes, it is important to follow proper procedures to ensure a leak-free and durable system. Firstly, cut the pipe to the desired length using a PVC pipe cutter or a saw. Ensure that the cut is clean and square. Secondly, deburr the cut end of the pipe using a deburring tool or a file. This will remove any sharp edges that could damage the fitting. Thirdly, clean the pipe and fitting using a PVC primer. This will soften the surfaces and prepare them for bonding. Fourthly, apply PVC cement to both the pipe and fitting. Ensure that the cement is evenly distributed. Fifthly, insert the pipe into the fitting and twist slightly to ensure a good bond. Hold the pipe and fitting together for a few seconds until the cement sets. Sixthly, allow the cement to cure completely before putting the system into service. The curing time will vary depending on the type of cement used and the ambient temperature. PVC pipes are generally resistant to a wide range of chemicals, but it is important to check the manufacturer's specifications to ensure compatibility with the specific chemicals being used. Some chemicals can degrade PVC over time, leading to leaks or failures. PVC pipes are also susceptible to damage from ultraviolet or UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause the PVC to become brittle and crack. To protect PVC pipes from UV radiation, they can be painted with a UV-resistant paint or wrapped with a UV-resistant tape. PVC pipes are a versatile and reliable material for a wide range of applications. Their durability, cost-effectiveness, and ease of installation make them a popular choice for plumbing, drainage, and irrigation systems. However, it is important to use the correct type of PVC pipe for the specific application and to follow proper installation procedures to ensure a leak-free and durable system.